Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're trying to decide between planning your own trip or going with a travel group, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to share some pros and cons and factors that you want to consider in making that decision. So stay tuned. There are many times when traveling with a travel group is best, and times when planning it all yourself makes more sense. It really depends. To paint a clearer picture, I'm going to go through a few factors you need to consider. First, budget. Travel groups tend to have a fixed price and can be expensive. When planning your own trip, you can accommodate different budgets and often save money by choosing to be frugal on certain things or splitting costs with your own personal travel buddies. With that being said, I want to remind y'all, time is money. So ask yourself, how much time do you really have to properly plan this trip? Meaning doing the research, making the bookings at the best time, coordinating communication, etc. If you don't realistically have the time, a travel group is the better choice. Also, related to this is the time you have to spend on the trip and how you want to spend that time. If you have months to just explore a country, you could probably easily manage that yourself. But if you only have a short period of time and you want to make the most out of it with a complex itinerary involving tons of sites and city or country hopping, then that's going to involve more planning time and expertise, which if you don't have that, go with the travel group. You also want to think about the specifics of your destination. How safe is it for tourists? Do you speak the native language? Is it a place where most people also speak English and important signs are translated? For myself, I'm still not quite comfortable yet planning trips where I anticipate any significant language barriers or if I'm fearful for any reason. And now the last thing I want you to consider is your comfort level with giving up control and being open to the itinerary and the choices of a travel group, and sometimes the lack of flexibility there. If you want something really specific and you can't find that in the travel group and it's really important to you, I would say go ahead and invest the time and energy in planning it yourself so that you can meet whatever it is that's most important to you. I've traveled with a travel group and absolutely loved it. My main reasoning behind that choice was I wanted to see a lot in a limited amount of time, and I didn't have time to plan a complex trip. And I was traveling solo, so felt safer with the group. Also, there's been multiple times that I chose to plan trips myself, and my main reasonings were I wanted something very specific, typically around my lodging choice, or I was trying to make the trip more affordable or flexible for the various needs of my group of travel buddies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out my travel playlist for travel group reviews as well as tips on planning your own trips.